unplug your keyboard or remove batteries if it's wireless. Then flip it upside down and give it a few good shakes over a garbage can to get any crumbs or dirt out from under the keys. Now grab a can of compressed air to really remove any other dust or crumbs from in between the keys. And if you have a mini vacuum, now's the time to use that too. If there is still grime stuck in between the keys, dip a Q-tip in some rubbing alcohol and remove the dirt key by key, which might take a while if it's really dirty. Now, once all the dirt is free, grab a disinfectant wipe and wring out all the excess liquid. Then wipe the keyboard down, including the palm rest, to disinfect the keyboard. When you're done, immediately wipe it down with a damp microfiber cloth. And then dry it off with a dry microfiber cloth. Disinfect your keyboard every day and try to do this whole routine once a week. And set an alarm to remind yourself if you need to. For more tips, visit howto.cnet.com and send your questions on Twitter at cnethowto. For CNET, I'm Sharon Vaknin, and I'll see you on the interwebs. Hey everyone, I'm Sharon Vaknin for CNET.com, and here's a quick tip on cleaning and disinfecting your mouse. Your computer mouse is full of all kinds of bacteria, and if you haven't made a habit of cleaning it, now's the time. The first step is to clean off all dust, crumbs, and caked on food. Unplug your mouse if it's wired, or remove the batteries if it's wireless. Then take a lightly damp microfiber cloth and wipe away all the scum. Once it's clean, flip the mouse upside down and roll the scroll wheel to get out any crumbs or dust that's stuck under there. And if you still need to get out more dust, use compressed air. Now that it looks cleaner, it's time to disinfect. Get a disinfectant wipe and wring it out to get any excess liquid. Then wipe your mouse down, but be careful not to get any moisture into the cracks and openings. When you're done, take a lightly dampened microfiber cloth, wipe it down, and then dry it off with a dry microfiber cloth. Disinfect your mouse every day and try to do this whole routine once a week, even if it means setting an alarm to remind yourself. For more tips, visit howto.cnet.com and send us your questions on Twitter at cnethowto. For CNET, I'm Sharon Vaknin, and I'll see you on the interwebs.